friends, welcome back once again to my channel. Today we are going to learn about filter function. Filter function haibaga gyan de fe taramani karina ko to goris. Oh, the filter normally when filter to bahar gadi data mayam lai the particular data magi result pa me hai kan da ne ko filter to do nata. Suppose I ko gi sida magic sales department gi ko data kar le re sigi data sida Kerala state ki sales kari department da revenue cam generate to ge na ye normally ko na ha na filter to matam di kamai to wi are data si ki jaga da any jaga am sanga ga filter and sort sanga filter and nam me sumai ta namaga and di yeng si Kerala khando ne men Kerala khalaga Kerala gi phong ko si ni utoi ne ba na. So that is a very old way of doing filtering. Now we have a more advanced formula called filter. So let's see how filter function works. Let's undo it. Let's also remove the filtering. Here the filter ki syntax hai filter form live with the filter have a find function called array have a then include have a and is the area has in a carino include has in a carino example so the period toxic Kerala had the revenue magi information to share to retrieve to information to look for happen Kerala the period Kerala see any state ko no bi ko no ko na ko na entry to ba enter to ba karido state maming do reason maming do di matun na dum dynamically change on to bune ko. So let's enter the formula is equal to filter array haragati le entire data se khala ne ko khala ne ko na sita khan matam da se header se si yaw na khaloi do header yaw da na khan ne then include to wise kari no kogi reasons in include to wise sigi mams the reason include to wise me reason di kada de lera se Indian states de le ko kan biro alla ko siga muk kari ga mana bo idu filter to du kari state ki no Kerala state ki ne sigi manung sita sigi region si ene khali bar rensa sida yaw bo Kerala yaw ragadi madu gi data sing do information sing do retrieve to information to display to happen. So the Kerala sida mana ragadi so many period if empty or ragadi no data. How easy it is? The Kerala se was koina Maharashtra and Harrison spelling lan badi yaro ko Maharashtra spelling la mani se Maharashtra S H yaudre ba ko adugine no data headings Maharashtra ki si file so maina Gujarat ki Gujarat this is Gujarat so maina log to there you go. Now let's search this one revenue find out or see name of the states, name of the region, name of the department where the revenue is more than 44,000. The filter ibiran then say department mana yaw and high the department now the big to kasu kai deba importance department in at say any sigal lower then include revenue ni when I search the revenue range is equal to greater than 44,000. Set. So Punjab to Kerala, Gujarat, Punjab, Gujarat, Delhi. So my department in the department yaw with the khang the hal laga lai. So if a department on the A637 A630 electronics the Punjab na electronics the Kerala ki Gujarat na clothing ki is the Punjab, Gujarat, Delhi. Sumaina layer. Sina ko na table na taba format gi never ko ni lawris. Table lo na semaga table dagi filter to suya aduna ko da reference range bi matam da ye ni easy wa level. Table maming ka high ka lo re. Oh, sumaina range amuk select to gi da ka lete. Kamain to gi yang siko. Table sila re. Table ni table maming si ini yang hangane table deep 6 and late. Table maming ni. This table sigi deep 6 I can the silo entire magi data silo na magi yaw rom table maming ba. So kita is Punjab ki data ne mana lo po is ko. Let's see. Filter table deep 5 ni table atopa table thon missing in le se table deep 6 so le re ko sida. Table div 6 can be wrong. Entire range below can be table div 6 is the entire range below can level. Include Karino, include of this Punjab, have C and the search the Udini Kaida, Indian state labor, Indian state table, many Ibirani, 6, Indian state is equal to the Yaurish, Punjab, Manataragat. The Punjab high with the category department the category portfolio is electronics, clothing, toys. There you go. Now there is another complex filtering where we are going to compare, we are going to search two criteria, two condition and hanba when search the original condition of Punjab High State or Regina revenue letter or then I can palm department should toy or state to Punjab or Adu or Gati Kamina filter top of the gear. Same in the condition of Hobson Bakaki table dip 6 then table bracket happen in the condition and equina concatenate or kaduri end the Torakaduri table dip 6 the Kari Indian state. Indian state Kari will get over the Punjab or the Punjab select of Windows bracket close and into again bracket open table div I cannot I give range maming niko this second table div have a I see pull up range see khali never the was I include the condition karino toys I've seen the department the labor han bagi sina Indian state the gamba lower Indian state the Punjab so oiba aduga department na toys oiba have been a department there equal to carry the department to is Animaxida bracket close. Animaxi condition fulfill or the Adugi data do retrieve over. To is so about Punjab soiba. There you go. To is so about Punjab soiba. From Laducarino, table dip 6 size sequential table dip 6 size range can manage simple range. The table dip 6 saraga. Third bracket, spot bracket, hai tara spot bracket, Indian state have the include the whether search the whether real look up the whether real look up the whether real so maming piri name table number table to department Indian state revenue is my column maming since loinamak aina table dips iraga third bracket number matam spot bracket number matam da column maming singular chok to rakane then instead of selecting the range manually we can simply directly refer to the column header. The department table column header department Indian state revenue the column header Indian state ibakanda automatically low in my range the data refer to now let's see another condition or condition Punjab na Kerala then a condition plus filter array table 6 here bracket table 6 number Indian state is equal to Punjab bracket close plus bracket open table 6 Kerala region, Indian state equal to Kerala. Bracket close, again bracket close. Doragadi Punjab oiba Kerala oiba abdi Punjab amsung Kerala animaki data ma'am ginipsipa electronics your message. Sumana filter function se when the sena bhi hai but data ma'am le matamda when filter to bhi hai. So this is how the filter function works. Filter function na koi kamane advancedly and smartly posting agi data se filter to bhi agadage dosagoli. Please watch this video again and again until you understand properly, and then you can apply all these filtering techniques in your data filtration, data analyzing. Okay, that's it for this lecture, and I will see you in the next video. Please like, subscribe, and share to your friends. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.